Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in ages. Friends, problem is given in the description box. Please go through the problem first. See friends, the ratio of the ages of Hema and Lata is 1:5 and Lata and Preeti is 3:2. From these two statements, we can write the ratio of Hema is to Lata is to Preeti. That is 1 into 3. 3 is to 3 into 5, 15 is to 5 into 2, 10. Friends, this is the ratio of the ages of Hema, Lata and Preeti. 3 is to 15 is to 10. That is 3x, 15x, 10x are their ages same. Now it is given that after 15 years, the ratio of the ages of Hema and Preeti is 2:5. So after 15 years means Hema's age is 3x plus 15 and Preeti's age is 10x plus 15. This is the ages of Hema and Preeti after 15 years. That ratio is given, that is 2/5. Friends, it implies 2 tens 20x plus 2 15s 30 is equal to 5 threes 15x plus 75. Friends, it implies 5x is equal to 45. 5x is equal to 45. X is equal to 9. Friends, we want the age of Lata. Lata is 15x. 15 into 9, 135. Friends, the age of Lata is 15 nines, 135 years. Friends, thank you.